Hey guys, Mr. Grocott here with another video for you. Today we're still looking at fractions, taking it that step further again. We're going to be incorporating a bit of subtraction with it today. So, I'm going to go through a few examples, which will hopefully help you for today. So my first question says, I have a bag of 20 red and green Smarties. 4/5 are red. How many are green? Now I'm not asking you to just say, oh, 1/5 are green. That is not correct. It is 1/5, but I want to know how many Smarties. I want a number. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find out what 4/5 of 20 are. So we're going to do 20 divided by 5, which gives me 4. And then we're going to times it by the numerator, so 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, so I now know that 4/5 equals 16. Now all I have to do is do 20, take away 16. That gives me the answer 4. So how many are green? The answer is 4. Okay. You can also do it where you say, oh, well, 4/5 are 16. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. And that would also give you your answer. But that wouldn't work if I'd said, well, 3/5 are 4. How many are green? That wouldn't work then. Okay. Now I've snipping tooled this one from the worksheet because it's a bit more higher level. So I thought I'd walk you through this one. It should help you with the rest on that page. So, Dexter spends 1/3 of his money. He has these coins left. How much did Dexter spend? Okay, so if he spent 1/3 of his money, that means we have 2/3 left. So 2/3 equals, let's see how much money he's got. He's got £1, 50, and 20. So £1, add 50p, add 20p. So he's got £1.70. Okay, which we could also write as 170p. So now we know that 2/3 is 170p, or £1.70. We need to find 1/3 because that's how much he actually spent. So to do this, I can just half 170 because half of 2/3 is 1/3. So 1/3 equals, well, half of 100 is 50, half of 70 is 35, 50 add 35 is 85. So 1/3 is 85p. So, how much did Dexter spend? He spent £0 and 85p. And it's as simple as that. Okay? Now the final one I'm going to show you is this one. This one's asking you to find two sets of fractions. So let's have a go. I have 40 apples. I use 5/10 to make a pie. I then give half of what's left to my family. How many apples are left? Now the important bit of this question is that I give half of what's left. Okay? That doesn't mean he gives half of the 40 to his family. He gives half of however many are left once he's had 5 used. Okay? So first thing we need to do is find 5 of 40. So 40 divided by 10 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay? So he used 1/5. He used 5/10 to make the pie. He then gives half of what's left to his family. So he's got 20 apples left. And he's going to give away half. So 20 divided by half. Okay. Now if we're dividing by half, that means we're just dividing by 2. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. So how many apples are left? He's given away 10. The wording makes it sound difficult, but it's actually a really easy question, as you've just seen. So try your best. I know some of you are struggling with these fractions, but if you need any help with all the videos we've made this week, don't forget, if you are really struggling, have a look at the answer sheet that we've also given you, because that might just help you to think, oh yeah, that's the answer. And then you might realise how you've done it, okay? If you need anything, email us. Or on the other end of the screen, we will be able to help you, okay? Have a nice day.